So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get to know who watched your Instagram reel. And the only condition is you must keep watching this entire video till the end without skipping a single second. So as you can see this reel here,
You wake up
and you can see that this reel has 235 views. Now if I open it and if I open up its likes, then there are 19 people who have liked this reels. Then first of all, it is confirmed about these 19 people that they must have watched this Instagram reel. But for knowing that who are actually the rest of all the people out of these 235, there are only two steps. And the very first step is you have to play the reel and take a screenshot. Go back, you are done with the very first step. Now for doing the final step, you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen, and it doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. And you have to scroll through the end of this page, and here under more info and support section, you get an option help. So you got to tap on that and tap on report a problem. Report problem without shaking. Here you can tap on don't include and continue. And here you have to write exactly the same thing that I'm writing. So you have to write here, hi Instagram team, I want to know the people who have watched my this Instagram reel. And next you have to paste the link of the reel that we have just watched. Next you have to tap on this upload button and upload that screenshot of the reel that we have just watched. That is the reason I was asking you to take a screenshot. And next you have to write waiting for your favorable response. And next let's write a thanks and simply send this request. And Instagram may launch a direct feature for viewing the Instagram Reels viewers after they get a lot of requests. But for this time, you just have to wait if Instagram takes action on your report and they contact you to inform that who are the people who have watched your Instagram reel. Thank you so much.